2016 Audi Q5 3.0T Quattro Premium Plus, where luxury meets exhilaration. Experience the pinnacle of refined performance with the 2016 Audi Q5 3.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This sophisticated SUV seamlessly blends exhilarating power, unwavering comfort, and timeless style, making it the ideal choice for discerning drivers seeking a truly premium driving experience. Thrilling performance. Unleash the power of the robust 3.0 V6 engine, designed to deliver exhilarating acceleration and confident handling. Whether navigating city streets or conquering open highways, the accompanying 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and seamless gear changes, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the driving experience. Confident all-wheel drive. Embrace any road condition with unwavering confidence thanks to Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system. This advanced technology seamlessly distributes power between all four wheels, ensuring optimal traction and control even in rain, snow, or light off-road situations. Beyond expectations, the 2016 Audi Q5 is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of refined taste and discerning choice. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with Audi's reputation for engineering excellence, ensuring this premium SUV will stand the test of time and deliver countless miles of enjoyment. Own the experience. Priced attractively at $15,900, this Q5 offers exceptional value without compromising on luxury or performance. With just 111,819 miles on the odometer, it has plenty of adventures left to share. Contact us today at 603-488-0108 to schedule a test drive and experience the exhilaration of the Audi Q5 firsthand. Matrix Autoworks, 371 Main St. Nashua, NH.